Welcome back to Perfume Emotions. It's Money again. Today we are going to do unboxing and authenticity check as well as first impression of Burberry For Men EDT toilet. It is 50 ml full presentation box. In authenticity check, first checkpoint is cellophane paper. Cellophane paper should be meticulously applied over the box, and I can see that it has been applied quite beautifully and flawlessly. Second checkpoint is how the box look like. So you might need to go to authentic website, and over there you can see how the box can look like. So that would be a second sort of thing. Third thing you need to do is that you must have understanding how old your perfume bottle is. So there would be a batch code at the bottom. It says 4015. Sorry, my mistake. It's 4015, and it has been manufactured just before 4 months. So I'm quite lucky that. And yes, I have bought it from notino.co.uk, and I'm lucky that it's just 4 months old. So I'm going to try quite a newer sort of batch. Now we'll discuss and we'll start unboxing and parallelly discuss authenticity check. So box is very nice. There are checks pattern in here. Here barcode and batch code. At the bottom, behind there is content, ingredients, and at the top Burberry. Let's open it. In general, in authentic perfume, you will find a box in a box. Yes, it is. So another check passed. For check is that you should be aware about the notes of the fragrance. So top note of the fragrance, this fragrance is mint, lavender, bergamot and thyme. So what I would expect in opening is like citrusy, herbal sort of smell and fresh spicy sort of smell. In middle notes it has mainly woods, sandalwood, cedar and oak wood, as well as it has flowers like jasmine and geranium. So middle would be flowery, woodish, floral, woodish sort of middle note or dry down would be, and base notes are vanilla, musk and amber. So it will be powdery and sweet. Okay, so in general, when I'm going to spray it, I'm going to get mesmerized because the note profile is very beautiful. Okay, so now another check is that when the bottle has never been used, it will not, the atomizer will not spray any juice for initial 1 or 2 spray. So let's check whether it is there or not. No. Yes. So on second attempt, as expected, citrus and slightly spicy. I will apply it over my arm to have better sense of 3-hour sillage and projection. So we'll meet after 3 hours. Happy to find one other nice fragrance. So let's talk about first of all scent profile. So it was citrus initially, fresh spicy. Later on, very slowly it became woody, but sandalwoody sort of smell. Floral notes were there, but were not much noticeable because of dominance of sandalwood. But at the bottom, when it fully dried down, that sweetness along with top note of fresh bergamot gives a very good dry down, and I would say that I can smell it, and it after 3 hours, so I think it will last longer. Sillage is very good. When I spray it at the first time in my room, my room was full of smell. When I come back, even my wife noticed that. So sillage is good, longevity is good, projection is good as well. So as per my SOP, standard operating procedure, I will wear this perfume to my workplace for at least 3 days or 2 days or 1 day, just to assess the complement factor and having a better understanding of sillage, longevity and projection. Okay, we'll meet you in next video. Thank you for subscribing. Bye bye.